The cannonball tree is a large, tropical, deciduous tree in the family Lecythidaceae, known for its fragrant, brightly colored flowers and large woody spherical fruits that resemble cannonballs. Native to South America, these trees are cultivated in tropical regions for their ornamental beauty and unique hanging 25 centimeter fruit. The tree produces up to 1,000 strongly scented, reddish pink, and yellow flowers daily, which grow directly from the trunk, a feature known as cauliflory. In India, it is often called Naga or Shiva Lingam and is sacred to Hindus as the inner structure of the flower resembles a Shiva Linga protected by cobra.